We are asked to strengthen the astronomer's argument. Now let's look at the argument to identify the evidence and the conclusion. The argument states that stars are born in groups of thousands. Each star in a group forms from the same parent cloud, and each cloud has a unique chemical composition. Based on these evidences, the astronomers conclude that if two stars have the same chemical composition as each other, then those two stars must have originated from the same cloud. For the conclusion to hold true, what should the author assume? Now we know that each star in a group forms from the same parent cloud, and each cloud has a unique composition. Based on this, what is the author concluding? That if two stars have the same composition, they have originated from the same cloud. So for this conclusion to hold true, the author should assume that chemical composition of a star depends on the chemical composition of the cloud from which it is formed. So the assumption is that the chemical composition of the star depends on the chemical composition of the cloud. So we are looking for an answer choice that would support the assumption and in a way help us to strengthen the conclusion that if two stars have the same composition, they might have originated from the same cloud. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. In some group of stars, not every star originated from the same parent cloud of gas. This may be true. If you pick up a group of stars, it is quite possible that every star may not have originated from the same parent cloud, but we are trying to strengthen the conclusion that if two stars have the same chemical composition, they should have originated from the same cloud. So this in no ways is in line with what we are trying to support. So we can eliminate answer choice A. Answer choice B. Cloud of gas of similar or identical chemical composition may be remote from each other. How close a cloud of gas of similar chemical composition is, how remote they are from each other, does not help us to support the conclusion that if two stars have the same composition, they might have originated from the same cloud. So we can also eliminate choice B. Answer choice C. Whenever a star forms, it inherits the chemical composition of a parent cloud of gas. So a star inherits chemical composition of a parent cloud of gas. If this is true, then the chemical composition of the star will be as same as the chemical composition of the cloud. So this choice supports our assumption that a chemical composition of a star depends on the chemical composition of the cloud. And if this is true, in turn we can say that if two stars have the same chemical composition, they must have originated from the same parent cloud. So C supports the astronomer's argument, so we can hold answer choice C. Choice D. These stars in vastly different part of the universe are quite similar in their chemical composition. This also may be true, but does it help us to support the conclusion that if two stars have the same composition, they have originated from the same cloud? Answer choice D in any ways does not address the issue given in the argument, so we can eliminate choice D. Choice E. Astronomers can at least sometimes precisely determine whether a star has the same chemical composition as its parent cloud of gas. If the astronomers can sometime determine whether the star has the same composition as the parent cloud of gas, it is also possible that sometimes the astronomers cannot determine whether a star has the same chemical composition as its parent cloud of gas. So this statement can be used to strengthen or weaken the argument. Moreover, the answer choice that we are looking for should support the assumption that the chemical composition of a star depends on the chemical composition of the cloud. Answer choice E is also out of scope, so E can also be eliminated. The correct answer is choice C.